with me again with Miss Sandy. Today we are going to make an art. It's trees in the forest. But before that, you need to prepare some materials. I have prepared paper tube. We need 5 paper tubes, and you can take it from your tissue paper tubes at home. And then we need a box. I take it from a cereal box and then I cut it into 2. And we need brown paint, paintbrush, palette, glue, scissors, double tape, wrap origami paper, and the template of crown of the trees. First of all, we need to cut the template of crown. To make it easy, you need to cut it into 2. Okay. Then you cut it one by one. Okay, now I have 5 crowns of the trees. Now we need 5 paper tubes. We're going to use the paper tubes as a trunks. But before that, we want a different height of trees, so we need to cut some of these paper tubes. I choose this one and this one. Okay, need to cut it because we want not only tall trees but the short one. Okay, then more shorter. Okay, it's a little bit hard for this. For this step, you can ask your parents' help if it is too hard for you. Okay, can you see this? I have 5, okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper tubes with different heights. Now we need to paint them. We will use the brown paint. Yeah, we need to paint each of them. But if you don't have paint at home, it's okay. You can use crayon, coloring pencil, or maybe just leave it like this without any cover. Okay. Just put your hands, your fingers inside like this. It's okay if your hands dirty or paints everywhere. After this, you need to wash your hands, of course. Okay, 1 here. Okay, 4 more to go. I think this is the best part of this art is painting the tubes. This is your favorite part. Okay, almost done. Okay. This is my second paper tubes. Okay, 3 more to go. Because this is the best part. I bet you're not bored at this time. You must be so happy. Okay. Oh, almost finished. Okay, I think I need more. Okay. Careful. Okay, 2 more. Woohoo, I think I need more. I use a lot of brown paint today. Okay. almost done. Now, after it's dry, we need to cut this part and this part just a little bit. Okay, the other part. Okay, this one. And then this side. Okay, this one. This one. The last one. Done. We put our trunks aside. Now we need origami paper. Just a small part of this origami paper that we can use. Make a small circles. Okay, now we need to paste these circles on one of the trees. Okay. It's like an apple tree. Now we are going to stick the crown on the trunk. Oops. Okay. This one. This is our trees in the forest. For the final step, we need our cardboard. Like I mentioned before, I took it from the cereal cardboard. We're going to stick all the trees here. We need double tape. If it is hard for you, you can ask your parents, your brother or sister to help you to stick the double tapes. Let's try first. This is it. This is our art for this week, trees in the forest. Thank you KG2. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.